reset the oil light, I'm gonna show you how. So as you can see, I have my maintenance light on. So let's go ahead and reset that. Alright, so we're gonna start on our main menu and we're gonna go ahead and hit settings, then vehicle, then scroll down to maintenance. You're gonna go ahead and hit select reset items and just hit engine oil and go ahead and hit reset. And there you go. That should do it. So we're just gonna go ahead and start the car just to make sure that this light is reset. And there you go. So I hope this video helped you, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Have a good one.